Okay, for number 2, we're going to start off with that one, the subtraction one. So what we're going to do is find our 5 1/6 pieces. And you need to flip back to the first page and see what we defined was 1/6.
Got it.
5 of them?
Yes, you need 5 of them. Okay, and from that we're going to take 3 1/4 pieces. So do we have any 1/4 pieces?
No.
Yes.
We do. Where do we have 1/4
No, the
pieces?
1/4
Well,
is the
like
red one.
3. I know, but like 3 6 makes one whole, or
Okay.
a half of one whole. So if I put 2 1/4 pieces on top of 3 6, you can get 2 4 pieces out of that whole, the half. I mean.
Okay, Jasmine, do you understand what she's saying?
No.
No? Ashley, can you try to explain it again?
Okay, so 3 6 makes one little hexagon.
Okay, hold on. So you put your 3 6 together to where
Yeah.
they made a hexagon.
Yeah.
Okay.
So then I can take 2 4 pieces and put it on top of that one hexagon.
Gotcha.
And
Oh,
so
okay.
2 of my 4s would come out of
The
at least 3 of the 6 pieces.
Okay. Jasmine,
But
do you
what-
understand what she's
yeah.
saying? Okay, can you tell me what she just said then? I'm sorry we have to do
That 3 of the 6 pieces makes half of a hexagon. And so you take the 2 1/4 pieces from the 3 blue ones.
that. Okay. Does it make a half a hexagon or the whole thing?
A whole one.
A whole one. Oh, okay. So like if you had that just kind of switched around, like flipped a little bit, it would make a hexagon?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. So then she put 2 of her hexagons on top of that to make, I'm sorry, 2 of her trapezoids
Yeah.
on
To
top
make
of
a
that.
whole
to make one
hexagon.
whole. Okay. So then what would we do with those blue pieces?
Well, they wouldn't be there anymore.
They wouldn't be there?
So one whole.
3 of the hexagons is equal to 2 of the red ones. So we just
3
replace
of
them.
3 of the hexagons?
No, 3 of the trapezoids. Or diamonds
Diamonds, okay.
3 of
3
the
of the diamonds.
equals 2 of the trapezoids.
Okay, so now we have 2 4th pieces taken away. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we could take away all of those blues because that's what your trapezoids covered, right? Was
Right.
the blue
Yeah.
ones? Okay, so we're taking those away.
Okay.
Okay, so then we still have 2 blues left. Is that right?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay, so how do we get rid of those? If we need to take away 1/4 from that, what would we do for that one, Jasmine? Can you use do you have a 1/4 piece to take away? Do you have any red 1/4 pieces to take away over there?
No.
No, but do you think you can make one?
Yes.
You can.
But yes.
Yes, but yes. Would you need to maybe find
Turn it
new
into
shapes?
triangles.
Okay, so find new shapes and see what you would need to do.
You need 3 1/12 pieces to make. Oh, wait a minute. You would need. Where's the triangles? So
So you would replace your
the
blue
ones
with
with the green ones.
okay, and is it still the same amount?
Yes.
Okay.
And then to take away the 1/4, it would be 3 of the green ones.
Okay. So what are you left with then if we take away 3 of those?
1/12.
1/12. Ashley, did you see how she did that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, can you explain it to me?
Okay, so
How did you do it?
I just put 1 hexagon on the bottom.
Okay.
And then I had 2 more 6 from my 5 6. So I just put those 2 6 on top of my hexagon. And then I put 1 trapezoid, which would be one of my 4s. Which
Okay.
would be the last one of my 4s from the 2 4s that I had.
Okay.
And put it on top of my 2 diamonds. And then I realized, or I seen from that I could put a triangle on the end of the half of a 6th piece. So then after I take 3 trapezoids away, which would be 3/4 away, I had a 12th left.
You had 1/12 left. That's awesome. And so can we draw that in pictures with what we did? If we start out by drawing our first 5 6 that we had.
Okay.
So we're going to draw 5 of the 1/6 pieces, which are the diamonds. or the blue rhombus, or the kites. That's all the names are.
Okay.
Okay, so, and then we're going to show how we took away 3/4.
Apparently, I can't draw a diamond.
Okay.
Okay, so can we show?
I have to draw that?
Well, yeah, we'll do it together.
Okay.
Okay, so we have our 5/6 and we have our 3/4 drawn. So from our 5/6 piece, can we show maybe if we had 3 of them together, like we had them like this, we could maybe just draw a line down them, and that would be 1/4. But if you didn't, if you just drew them like this, then how many would equal 1/2? How many?
3.
Oh, that is right. Of this picture, though, of the 3
Triangle.
rhombuses.
Yeah.
Rhombi?
Rhombuses.
Rhombi? Rhombuses?
Rhombuses.
Okay. Of the 3 of those, what would be half of this?
Half of
3?
the 1/2.
Yes. In this, how many
You have
of
to
the blue
trade it,
pieces
'cause
would it take? But how many of the blue pieces would it take?
1.5.
1.5. Okay, so if you have your picture drawn where they're side by side or something, you can show 1.5 and just draw a line halfway through the other one. And that would be 1/4. Is that right? Like on
Can I
Ashley's
put, like,
picture.
can I just put like an equal sign and then draw 2 trapezoids underneath it?
Yes.
Okay.
See, oh, yours is different.
Yeah.
That's okay
I
then.
need to
Because, well, see, on yours, you have 2 blue ones and a half, and that equals 1 red one.
Mhm.
So when you go to take it away, then we'll know that 2.5 of these is equal to 1/4 piece. Okay? And on Ashley's, and you can draw this one to where we know it takes 1.5 to make 1 more 1/4 piece,
Okay.
and then you're left with another triangle.
So should I just X this out?
If you want to. One triangle, and
There
that's
you
what
go.
you're left with. Okay, and Rosa, let's see your picture. No, okay. Why are you laughing? This is going so well.
I'm not laughing. Go.
No, we're just gonna keep going.
My nose is burning.
Sorry.
Okay, go.
You know what? My nails and your nails are the same color.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, look. Okay, kind of not the same color, but kind of. They're both purple. Shades of purple. Okay, ready, go.
I can't work with that. That's so hard to work with.
Why?
Okay, what if we just break that all up into triangles?
This isn't a triangle. This is a diamond. 3 diamonds equals 2 red ones.
Mhm.
See?
Okay, then you have 1 red one.
Okay. I totally get that now.
Why did I put an extra red one?
No, that's why.
That's why I said I
confused.
need an eraser. Yeah. It's out. It's just too
That
red.
was a good learning moment. Man, I ruined it because I threw my head down on the camera. Okay. That's okay. Continue.
Yeah.
What if we drew our 5/6 into the smallest piece that we can find?
The triangles?
The triangles.
Okay.
You can just X all that out if you need to. And just start down on the next problem. That's fine.
Triangles. Okay, fine.
Okay, so if we had
So
5,
there's
6.
2 for each triangle, or
Okay.
each diamond.